This is a quick demo of Tesla 2018.24.1 autopilot. So coming up the road here, and we're going to stay to the left. Hopefully those cars get out of our way. It looks like they do. This guy behind me wants me to speed up. He's actually honking his horn, amazingly rude, especially when the car only wants to go 50. So we're going to come up here. I'm going to let off the gas about here. You'll see this is a 25-mile-an-hour turn we're coming up to. So try to get the wheel a little more. You see the car's slowing down on its own. And the guy behind me is getting really mad. And you can see the wheel just turned, slowed down pretty good for this turn. It's not, it's turning back and forth a little bit, but it's doing pretty impressive. But it clearly has some maps there to decide to slow down for that because it couldn't see the sign or anything.